People, mixed up around here like and share. Rock and come in tonight, people. Because it seems as if Marcia man is far people, in my opinion, It look like Marcia man is far. Marcia gone to church right now. Marcia they at church every day. Yeah, man, Marcia present, pay offering, and they every day. On the streets, I talk about it on social media, Yeah, man. Some people on social media say Marcia man left her and stop talk to her because Marcia said she gone to church right about now and she said she put on her man pan pause. She put him down. And I'm saying to myself, say, then if you gone to church, why you don't want to put on your man? Talk to my people. If you gone to the church, why would you put down your man? Why would you decide if you put it out? Why you decide if you just decide, say, yo, me I give this man a break and thing, I'm not gonna pick him up from work and all them thing. Guys, look in the thing. When you say Marcia man stop talk to her, When you say Marcia is about to get put out, When you say Marcia catching time don't know, what is your opinion down below right about no people? Because right about no people, it look that way there. It look that way there because the Marcia supposed to bring the man to church and Marcia the man supposed to in a church. Are the two of them supposed to in a church and thing and plan the wedding though? The two of them should have in a church planning wedding for get married. But no, Marcia up and down in a church and I say, yo, shall give the man a break right about now. I mean, so if you give the man a break and you talk about him so much time, because she said she don't want the man get close to her and getting on a little thing. Me I said to myself, say, come on. No. That sounds strange, Marcia. You can't fool nobody. You can't fool nobody. People know what go on and thing. The man stop talking. The man get fed up of you. The man get fed up of you if you catching over him house. So the man put you out. You not come talk about it. You not come talk about it. The man put you out, MC. Come out and tell the world. Come out the world want to know what is going on. You gotta talk about say about the man. You give the man a break. Who does that? You don't more like you want to carry the man in the church there and make him get some blessing like you claim say you get blessing. Why them have tell lie on social media so? Why MCs have tell lie on social media so MC? Why you do it? Tell the people them say. Tell the members only people them say your man stop talk to you. Tell them say your man gone because you're too miserable. Tell them say your man gone to you because you cost too much. Tell them say your man gone because him say you're too stagnant. Talk the truth, man. Because I don't understand which man forget broke when woman want go in a church. And I like you get baptized. You know I get baptized. And the sex before marriage. No, it's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. Someone understand where you come from now. You feel as if you can't fool nobody. You can't fool nobody none at all. The streets know what go on. The whole YouTube know what go on. You can't fool nobody. People that talk about it, them know you're stagnant and them know so the man go there put you out. But you not come forward and talk about it. You gotta say you give man break and you stop go for man. We know what go on. The people them know what go on. The people them ain't no fool. You see me? The people them know say I sit and go down. Yeah, man, people, look like sitting go down, man. Look like she use the church as a mean for this guys for tell us that the man gone the far. You see me? Look at the man gone, the man get fed up and gone, and the man tired of catching thing and her look stagnant behavior and thing. Because as I say people, I don't know which woman in a lifetime would I give them man break. Yeah, give them man break because of church, because of you going to church. You can't fool nobody at a MC. We know already what go on. Because if you are go church right now and thing, what the man have to do with your church? How you bring the man go church with you? You bring the man go church with you. You say you give him a break because you don't want him to get close to you. And like a baptized, you get baptized and thing. A long thing you do your thing. Say if you want to get baptized, what you want to do and thing. Because all of them are unruly. The man tired of your behavior, man. The man go there, the man go there tired for your comfy man thing. Because him go there wonder to himself say, every time you come for him just something. The man probably want to go up the next woman and thing. And the man tired of your behavior and thing. You look stagnant, lazy behavior on social media. So you use them thing right now. You can't afford nobody. People know what go on. People know what go on. Gracie come for your man. Yeah? You need to come out and tell the people them, tell the members only them, tell the renters them what is going on. Because people are talk, the people them know what going on. The people them are a fool. The people them know say you is a little riot on social media. You see me? If you want to go church and if you want to go church not have nothing to do with your man. You see me? Or else the man have a woman at church when you want him come with your card. You know? Yeah, you know what Marcy and thing. You can't fool nobody not and thing. So the time you there chat on social media and I say the people them bad mind your man, you need to come forward and tell everybody on social media what go on. Because all of a sudden you go church now, we hear say you are man the pan pause. After you talk so much about a man there, you talk so much about that one man there where you have him nice tea and all him carry out and out this and this. So how comes you give birth now? No man, MC, you can't fool nobody none at all and thing. You can't fool your caca yourself, you can't fool nobody at all. The people them want to know. You see me? The people them want to know if the man property they want and the man figure you out and the man put you out. You see me? So we saw you see you get put out. We saw you see you gone back in the storage gone live because that is still the other day you compare your life and say old man live in your care because America life hard. You know like parent. So, and once in a life parent and thing, why would the man want deal with somebody when they like pay bills and bills have to pay? You think I saw you want to live free and not paying the bills? No, I in America, no. That's why you waste the time in America for 40 years. You over there, you don't have a house for yourself, you know, and if you get own your vehicle where you drive and thing, you just depend on the internet and make a fool of yourself. And you know in yourself say you are for the people them. You are for the members only people them when I have no sense just like you. You see me? Because people only think about this. Only in the comment section. Only agree with me and think because me not understand this. You have a man we talk to, and me have a woman me talk to. And me decide to go to church. You see me? And me give her a break. So basically, me not go pick her up. Me not go the close to or anything. Them not go some man. Not go so. So I don't understand where MC come with this. And the more and more she talk about it, and the more the people them not believe it. You see me? It's all your fool I can believe what MC is saying. You get me I say? But some people, it's true them like it on social media, they may run their foolish and listen your foolish. And not tell you them honest opinion. Them not tell you say MC, where your man, where him gone. You see me? She not tell you that. You get me I say? But she a fool. Some of the people them who want to be fooled. But some of the smart one them not go fool. So in the age I talk about that and thing. Me know say mix up others I talk about. Can mix up others and ramp that. Mix up others deal her away. As she drop sitting, mix up others run with it and style her up and thing. So she need to come forward people and make the people them know what go on. Because the people them ain't no idiot. Them people them know themselves. Them know say Marcia man on the far. Them know that. I choose some of them don't want to talk. Some of them don't want to disrespect her on social media because them don't want to disrespect her. And next thing at all now she go come out of the church. You see me? Because we all know some people that Marcia you know, go in the church for a short period and then them come back to them normal self. You see me I say? So I can watch and see what will be the outcome regarding Marcia and her church and the man because we want to know because remember MC if you and the man stop talking and you know come forward and talk about it, you know, remember you know when it bust up big you know you are ashamed you know and you are ashamed. Remember me tell you that Ashanti everybody at after your case you better come forward and talk about it from now and stop make a fool of yourself. Yeah? Because I know why a man that want to steer you why not like pay bills and you stagnant. I see him stagnant himself too. You see me? And I'm always say from day one till the man that Marcia talk to, she talk to him because she want to live in her house. She want to have certain things. You know I go that old man when him drop out, she can put certain things in her name and get certain things. You see me? I saw people like Marcia stay 40 years America without nothing at all. And one boss and one size up herself with Auntie Dana. But me I tell them Marcia, I send a warning to you. Come out and tell the people them what is going on. Tell the people them want to know, the people them concerned, the people them need to know what is going on with you. Because if you don't tell them and them find out, all hell broke loose, dog can name your supper. So guys, best up on yourself, you know. Big up on yourself and best up to those who like the video, those who share the video, and those who leave their thought in the comment section, people. You know, fun and laughter and drama, people. So I'm going to swag go out with the MC right about now.